It began with the first step, nervous smiles, hopeful hearts, and a walk into the unknown. They arrived as strangers, each with their own story. And slowly, those stories began to intertwine.
Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly. See how the hands go.
Graduating means that I'm leveling up. No? Leveling up kasi, syempre, while growing up kasi, as I said, kakaroon kayo ng mga bagay na dadalhin mo hanggang adult life mo. And mga bagay na makakalimutan mo na lang. And when graduating to me is very special talaga. This means that I passed those challenges in my life and I proceed to another level. Diba? So, ayun. Graduating means setting a new life. Like, it's a fresh start for someone like me and for my classmate na sa wakas, tapos na lahat. But, other than that is, mag-start pa muli kami sa panibagong journey na haharapin po namin lahat.
Through long nights and early mornings, deadlines and detours, they learned not just from books but from life itself. They found friendships that felt like family and moments that shaped who they were becoming.
I would say my papa po. Even though na malayo po yung papa ko during my school year, siya po yung talagang nasa likod ko lagi na tuwing kailangan ko ng things or like for projects, money, siya po yung laging nandyan, and also the advice po. Siyempre, ang biggest supporter ko dyan is my mom. So, my mom, tatlo kami sa bahay. And sa senior high school kasi, talagang maraming gastusin. From entrepreneurship, research pa lang, and my mom, lagi siyang nandun. Lagi siyang nandun sa akin, supporting me financially and emotionally. Lagi siyang nagluluto, lagi siyang nagbabaon sa akin, and she tries her best. She always tried her best to provide those needs. So, para kay Mama, thank you very much po. Kahit na hindi tayo gaanong nag-uusap at lagi kang busy, lagi rin akong busy, I know that you're there for me, and I love you so much po. Grade 11, talaga. Sa grade 11 kasi, syempre naninibago ka. It's a new level yan. So, nung grade 11 ako, research, chemistry, biology. So, nung grade 11 ako, talagang ang hirap kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganon klase. I'm more on like creative side kaysa dun sa mga technical, sa mga pang-intellectual kasi. Hindi rin ako makasabay kasi nung grade 11 ako. Then, ang ginawa ko nun is, sabi ko, 1 year na lang, isang taon, titisin ko pa, gagraduate na ako at magka-college na ako. So then, hindi na ako nag-shift. I continued with STEM. Special po mention is my PR Group 2. And those years po, the grade 11 is yung research time po namin is nag-give up po talaga kami kasi hindi po namin talaga malaman kung ano yung butas ng research namin. But, you know, yung nag-research fest is naging best in research po kami.
There were challenges, there were tears, but there was also growth. Somewhere between the quiet doubts and the loud victories, they discovered strength they never knew they had.
research, yan. Hindi kasi ako mala-research talaga na tao. So, nung nalaman ko na kasama ko sa divisional, talagang pinursige ko yun and pinush ko. And syempre, hindi yun mangyayari. Hindi ko ma-achieve yun without my group mates, especially STEM na.
First is my first advisor po is si Ma'am Jael Pugong. Siya po yung pinaka talagang tumatak sa puso ko na super blessing niya na dumating siya sa life ko kasi hindi lang po siya naging advisor para sa akin, naging mother and the family po siya talaga sa akin. Next is si Sir Vlad po. Even though na marami po nagsasabi na masungit siya, strict, but hindi mo po siya masasabi na strict po para po siyang nagke-care, hindi po siya strict, nagke-care po talaga siya sa mga klase niya and pati sa mga ano din po niya. Yun. And third is si Sir Andrew Asuncion. Nasa malayo na po siya pero gabi pa rin po yung pag-support niya sa amin. And yun, thankful din po ako sa kanya.
Graduation is more than a milestone. It's a mirror of every step they took to get here. Every risk, every lesson, every person who walked beside them when the path felt too steep.
To my younger self, te, push lang ng push, talaga. Kaya mo pa. Naku, sabihin mo lang na hindi, pero hindi ka sumusuko. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan, and ma-achieve mo rin yung mga gusto mo sa buhay.
They're not the same people who walked through those doors years ago. They've grown. They've earned this. And now, they are ready to step into what's next with the wisdom of where they've been.
Fellow graduates, guys, sa lahat, hindi lang sa STEM, syempre sa buong grade 12, I'm very proud of you sa mga na-achieve natin ngayon. Kahit hindi tayo sanay sa strand natin at mga undecided pa yan, I'm very proud of you sa mga naging achievements natin. At nag-graduate na tayo! So, thank you, congratulations, guys!
Don't give up lang, lalo na syempre during college, alam naman natin na mahirap nga daw. But of course, don't give up and always trust in yourself and pumili ka talaga ng tamang circle sa life mo kasi sila yung magdidikta kung ano ba yung sarili mo, kung saan ka ba nabibilong, magpatuloy pa rin sa life kahit na iniisip natin na gumive up na sa buhay.